Hi, everyone. Welcome to BUS220 Principles of Management. I'm Helen Panzer, your instructor for the next 8 weeks as we journey into the world of management. By management, I mean leadership, team management, and managing others without having them directly report to you. It's a challenge and it's fun. We will use Learn-Its, as you're all familiar with. We will use Yellow Dig, one of your favorite things to do. And we'll also have a book available to you, and we'll be meeting 4 times during the next 8 weeks, live through Zoom, to talk about different topics that aren't presented in your book or in your Learn-Its. Together we'll explore this world and have some fun doing it. In order to be successful, you really need to get organized. Every week there's an assignment due. It's a lot of writing, and good English, strong punctuation, getting your ideas across, using paragraphs, using good vocabulary is going to be very important in this course. I'll be watching how you develop, and effort will pay off. But in order to do it, you've got to get organized and schedule your week so that you have time to work on your Learn-Its, which could be done on your phone, to work on your assignments, to read your book, and to meet with me every couple of weeks. If you are struggling or have trouble or need help getting organized, please let me know. We have some tools and people that can help you in that area. Myself, Bryan University, and the entire staff here want you to succeed. We're going to do everything possible to help you do that. Will it be hard? Sometimes. Will it be easy? Sometimes. Guaranteed it will be interesting and fun. I hope to see you at our first live meeting during the first week of our course. Check out your course, look under web meetings to get the links. I will also be sending you reminders, as usual, about an hour or less before our live meetings with the link. Welcome, and I'll see you soon.